Hey guys, it's Mark from parkflyers.com. Today we're looking at a very cool new product that we're offering exclusively for our customers, and that is the Mini Widemaxx VXL. We took a regular Mini Max, we added a ton of upgrades to it. It's basically as fast as a Mini XRT with a lot more upgrades on it, and we're going to go over them in this video. Now, the Mini XRT is a great car. We're selling a ton of them. The problem with the car is you really can't get that many of them. They're limited supply right now, and they're trickling in. People are getting frustrated. Also, a lot of customers like this platform a little bit better. It sits higher up. It also has what people consider nicer off-road wheels than the Mini XRT. So basically, we put together a custom package for our customers, and we're doing something very unique that we never did before. We're probably not going to ever do this again, but in order to save the customer money, we're actually doing all these upgrades with free labor. We're not charging to put the upgrades in this one time. The only thing that we're doing, we ask back from the customer, is that when we install the VXL Valenian 3500 with the speed control, we actually remove the BL2S system, and we take that in compensation for all the work that we're doing putting all these upgrades in. So let's go through the upgrades. We think that they're awesome. Now, the first thing that the car really needs are the shocks. The GTR shocks transform the handling of the car. They add a lot more oil and damping. The springs are better. They're a lot more substantial. They handle the weight better of the car. And the handling and the jumping just goes up tremendously when you put these on the car. The Mini XRTs do not come with this, but we do include this on the Mini Max VXL. The other thing we do is we put on the wide kit. Now, the wide kit is standard on the Mini XRT, but the difference and the benefit of buying this custom kit is that we color coordinate the arms with your body. So if you have an orange car, we put on the orange arms. The Mini XRTs all come with black arms. So it really looks a lot better. If you look at it from the top, it's just a really nice look to have the colored arms to match that body. Really nice touch. The other thing we do with the car is Robinson Racing gear in there. It's a 22 tooth. It's 2 tooth up from the stock 20 tooth. And it makes the car just a little bit quicker. Now, of course, we recommend, as you know from our past videos, we recommend running this system on 2S only. If you run it on 3S with 22 tooth, it's probably going to overheat. So you want to go back down to the 20 tooth. But since we're selling this package and we're promoting it as a 2S, ideal 2S setup here, especially increasing the pinion size, we think it's really the sweet spot for this car. Now, I will tell you that this system is a lot smoother than the BL2S. The BL2S does have a little bit of cogging. The Hobbywing 4000 kV, also a little bit of cogging. This has zero cogging. It's very, very smooth off the line in 2 and in 3S. And we really like the way it fits in. It really fits in perfect. In this car, we include, you can't see it here, but we include a 3D printed ESC plate. We install it on the bottom, and then we attach the speed control to it. It's a nice touch for this custom job. The other thing that we do is we put in a center differential. Now, the Mini XRT does not come with it. We do the center differential with the aluminum center drive shaft and the ring pinion. We put all that in the car, and it basically distributes the power much better between all four wheels. And again, it's going to really enhance the drivability and the handling of the car by a lot. Now, another upgrade that we do, which really takes this car over the top, and it's a big improvement over the Mini XRT, is we put a bevel differential in the rear of the car only. That's where we see a lot of the damage. When people just romp on the car, especially with this very, very high torque system, the planetary gears can't hold up to that much power, and they always go in the rear. The fronts are always pretty good. So in this particular car, it's a $30 upgrade. We put it in the back of the car. And instead of having the planetary gears, you have a full differential with beveled gears. It is much, much more durable. And also the performance of a beveled differential is a little bit better than a planetary. The power transfer between the left and right wheels, the transition is smoother, but most importantly, it's going to be a lot more durable. We put that in the car, and that is really, all these upgrades add up to a much better experience, in my opinion, than the Mini XRT out of the box. And this is for people that just want a Mini Max. They want the wide kit on it to get that wide stance and that stability. They want to have it where it comes with the center differential, and they want the more durable differential in the rear of the car so that the car is not going to basically explode when you're romping on it. The other thing that we do, which is really important when you have all this power, is we actually switch the front and rear tires. As we know, it comes from the factory. The inside of the wheel on the front, they're marked with F. We take those F wheels, we put them in the back so that the car doesn't do crazy wheelies, and it's basically more tame and calm when you give full acceleration off the line. And we believe, and everybody we actually asked, agrees that it drives a lot more sophisticated and a lot more like a bigger car when you do switch the tires. It's a good thing that Traxxas did this, because we really like the way it drives when we switch the tire compounds. Always better with the softer in the front. All in all, this is a really good deal. Now, again, we're not charging labor. We're just actually just keeping the BL2S system as compensation for doing all the work. And we think that's a very small price to pay. It comes out to $659.99 for the car. It takes about 4 to 5 days for us to put it together and ship. But why do all the work for yourself? And why, wait for a Mini XRT, which doesn't even have all these upgrades? So this is going to be my pick for, the Traxxas mini cars is the Minimaxx. It's the Mini Widemaxx custom ultimate package from parkflores.com. If you want to order this from me and you want to add some more upgrades to it, you can call me at 1-800-470-8932. We could put anything in the car you'd like, and then we can go from there. Anyway, please like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next video, and have a great day.